everyone, Bethany here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing something I probably should have done a long time ago, which is unbox my Cricut mug press. I've had this, let's just kindly call it 3 years. I got it as a gift for Christmas from a family member, and because I was already sublimating and I had converted my oven, because we had a spare oven, my giant oven, like a regular in your kitchen oven, converted it to a sublimation oven. I didn't really have a use right away for this, but I have been asked so many times over to try it, just to use it, see how it is, because not every time am I going to want to do full sublimation on a wrap, or I just might want to do a partial sublimation or a one-sided sublimation or something like that. And the Cricut mug press is great for that. So I'm going to be brave and I'm going to open it up today and check it out. So this is direct from the box and it's going to basically fill up the whole screen right now. Filled up my whole screen on my desktop. So it's kind of large, as you can see. It's definitely going to need to find its own home, probably its own plug. I'm sure of that. There is a open me, so something to open right away. And ta-da! We have a machine and we have plugins. Fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the pieces overhead. We have a older style power plug. So that will most likely be what plugs into your computer. If you need to plug it into your computer, I'm not 100% sure. Seriously, I have been sublimating for years and years and have yet to find need for this. So, but this is a lesser expensive way to do sublimation by using the infusible inks and the mug press. There are also out there hacks to, this is the power cord. There are also out there hacks to create tumblers using the mug press. And let's not break a nail. Let's be smart about this. All right. Taking the plastic off. And you see that there is a metal plate at the bottom. It's not centered, which is interesting, but I'm sure there's a reason for that. All right. We are looking good. So that's what it looks like coming out of the box. I know from videos I've watched, you lift the handle up before you tighten and squeeze. The open me. All right, Cricut, what do you have for me? Let's get started. Activate your product. Know your Cricut mug press. So you have your power button and the press lights. Connected mode, warming up, ready to use, lever to push down, to start transfer, lift when complete, heating elements, always handle with care. Yes, make sure you have your heat gloves with you at all times. When complete, lift lever and carefully remove mug by handle. Place it on a heat resistant surface like a mat, like the Easy Press mat or trivet, or until completely cooled. Before you make, learn more. Yes, very, very important. Then your warranty and everything. So it's not like when you get a Cricut machine where you have like all these goodies. This is pretty standard, pretty straightforward. So it's literally looking like a plug and play machine thus far. So plug right in the back. The bottom is sticky. I don't know why. Maybe it's from being in the plastic wrap for so long. We're gonna go with that. And I believe this is what's going to plug into here. And then we're going to go ahead and activate this. The activation will also get your firmware updated, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have pulled up cricut.com/setup, and here you can see the first thing that pops up is, what are you setting up? Heat press. Cricut mug press. I agree. Open the app, because I already have that app open. And there we go. Now it's going to help me set it up directly through the canvas. And I do want to note that I have the heat press plugged in through the USB port here. So selecting heat press and Cricut mug press. Yep. Heat resistant surface, well ventilated area. Great. Yep. Power. Yep. Great. Use the included USB cord. Yes, yes, and yes. All right. It has found it. And continue. And then it's activating, and then it will register and update the machine. And it beeped because there is a connection. So now it's going to download the updating the firmware, sorry, which will take a couple of seconds. It seems to be going pretty fast though. And it is updated. So now you can, just that quickly, unplug the USB and get started. So, and then it will walk you through all of the things. Insert it, press it, ta-da. Design, attach, press. That's basically the nuts and bolts of using the Cricut heat press. Super simple, super easy, and really, really fast. But the Cricut mug press is now officially set up and ready to go, plugged in, and it's ready to fire up for my first design. I am actually filming today my first design for an upcoming event. I will leave details of the event in the comments when I have the links released to me. If you want to sign up, you can also get the free SVGs that I've created to use for my first Cricut design mug. So excited. And I hope you love it. I hope you hang around and see what else we can create. Quick, fast, and easy, but also something that might inspire you to do something great. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye!